What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Show You How. And guys, today what I'm going to do is show you how to fix your PS4 controller if it will not charge. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to locate the reset button on the back of your PS4 controller. So it's right here. If it's really small, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, and you want to get like a safety pin, or you can use the earring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the earring. So you're going to place the earring in there and just hold that button for about 5 to 8 seconds. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and let go. And now after you do that, you want to go ahead and try to plug your PS4 controller in and see if that works. But if it doesn't work, let's go to the next step. Okay, so for this next step, what you need to do is you need to get your PS4 controller right, and you need to get your charger, whichever charger you use. And you need a charging adapter, charger block. So go ahead and plug your charger into the wall outlet. That's so. Go ahead and plug into the wall outlet. Let's see if we can get it down there. I don't know if you can see it, but let's go and plug that in. And now what we're going to do is we're going to plug my PS4 controller up to see if it will charge this way. And if it's charging, you see that yellow light? That means it's charging. So let's say, for instance, if you tried to use the PS4 as your charger and that didn't work, what you can do is you can use the wall outlet. And let's say perhaps that your charging adapter did not work correctly. Well, you may have like different charging adapters around the room somewhere, or around your house, I'm gonna say. And you can just try each one out and it should work from the wall outlet. So you'll just have to charge it from the wall outlet instead. Now for this third step, if you want to charge it directly to your PS4, what you must do is make sure your PS4 is fully off and go ahead and plug your cable into it. And now plug your PS4 controller in. And now what you can do is turn your PS4 on. So basically we're trying to make your PS4 recognize the PS4 controller so it'll be in sync and it will charge with the PS4. So let's go ahead and turn that on. Look, let's go ahead and turn that on. And pay attention closely to the light on the PS4 and on the PS4 controller. You see that light? I don't know if you can see it, but let's see. I don't know if you can see that, but the PS4 controller is lighting up along with the PS4. And you have to wait until the PS4 turns all the way on. And the way you will know that is the PS4 will turn white right here in this area. So you just want to wait. Just give it a couple of seconds and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, so now it has turned white. Look, it has turned white. I don't know if you can difference the color, but once that comes on, your PS4 controller should start flashing more and more. So that's how you know your PS4 controller is charging. And now for this fourth step, guys, I'm sorry about this, but it may just be the PS4 charger. So it's an Android charger, so I'm pretty sure that you have many Android chargers around the house somewhere. So you may want to go ahead and find some and just try every single one of them. Try them in the outlet, try them in your PS4. So it just may be the cable could have a shortage in it somewhere. So yeah, or it could just be your PS4, but you just have to see and do a diagnostic test on it. And yeah, so that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope one of these methods help you out. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like if you haven't already, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified for every video on my channel. And we'll be back to show you how.